Good morning there.
New text message from Dad.
And there's a text message from Dad. Morning there, November Firearm hunters. It is opening morning of deer season. November Firearm, anyway. And we're getting ready to go pick up my dad. Got my coffee and cookies ready to go. They were talking. Well, it's a little warmer out this morning than they were talking. They were talking a low of like 14, 15 overnight with a wind chill of 4. But it doesn't feel terrible. Yes, the wind is blowing. Of course, it'll probably be a little different once I get out in the stand. But we're running a little late here, so let's get going and go get Dad, and we'll go get in the stand. Good thing I only live 10 minutes away from the timber. Okay. I'm trying to talk a little quiet here. A little later start than I planned. It's still dark out, but it's probably within 15 minutes of shooting light. It's definitely windier, colder down here at the river. Okay, it's afternoon time here. Way later than I planned, about 3:30. Now it's later now, probably more like 3:45. Come out and sit in the timber. Conditions are way better than they were this morning. Still chilly. It's about 30 degrees now though, but there's still a slight breeze, not like it was this morning. So still bundled up, but getting the timber, see what we can do. Okay, we're in. It is 3:56. Dad said it's janky at best, but anyways, as he was walking in, he must have spooked a doe because I didn't even get situated. I barely got up here in the stand, and a doe went. She wasn't hightailing, but she went trotting. Oh, there's a big tree back here in the center. She went just kind of trotting. So conditions are a lot better this afternoon. Or this morning, so maybe I'll be able to get a little bit more recording time in. If anybody wants to come be a cameraman, the pay is horrible and the conditions are terrible, but I'll give you a free ad. How does that sound? So let's see what happens here. Okay, I'm home. I meant to do this at the when I crawled out, or I guess before I dropped that off. But afternoon hunt, didn't get anything, but I'm gonna call it a success too because sorry about a glare. I got a goddamn light behind me. There we go. Maybe. So everything started going down about 5 o'clock. Walked out of the. I didn't even walk out of the timber. I heard a commotion. Looked to the south, and 3 does go darting through the timber, and they're out in the field behind me. So I kind of get myself situated to look out there. They were kind of over in the area where Dad was sitting. He later said he saw the 1, not 3, but they kind of moseyed up along the edge of the timber, and the big one saw me. I did get some video of them. It's not real great. I'll try to share it, but we'll just see. And then I heard some snort wheezes. I looked and I was looking and I was looking and I couldn't. There's 4 big snort wheezes. Couldn't see him. I was looking. It was coming from behind me, and I could tell because the does walked towards the snort wheeze, and yeah, I couldn't see what was going on, but across the field I saw some commotion going on over there. So I put my scope up because I didn't have any binoculars, and I turned the power all the way up, and I saw a buck chasing a smaller buck off. I figured that was what was going on. Well, so I got down, and this is about 5:30. It's already past shooting light, and I get out to the edge of the timber, and there's the three does staring at me, and I get snort wheezed at, and I turn and look, and right in that strip of beans that I left, there was a buck, and he was a big buck. He was probably 100 yards out, so I put my scope on him just to see what it was, and I didn't get a count on him, but it wasn't heavy 7. He was bigger than that. So definitely going to call today a success. I didn't get anything, but we're seeing deer, and that's promising. So I got a battery about ready to die here on my camera. So day 1 a success. We'll continue on with day 2 tomorrow. So see, we'll probably make a different video for that. I don't know how many. I'll probably, depending on how things go, I'll probably do maybe like a couple days, 3 days worth of videos into one, of shooting into one video, depending on what I see. This will be the, all in one video. But anyways, that's all I got. Remember to, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you're watching my videos, please make sure you hit the like button, so that way we can beat the YouTube algorithm. That's the only way I get noticed, is the more likes I get, then YouTube realizes that this guy's legit. So alright everybody, gotta go. Thank you.